Hey everyone, I'm Brian Parks, the CEO of Synapse Software, and in this video I want to give you a first look at Slingshot, which is something I've been working on for a little bit, and something that is perfect for just about any business that wants to automate anything. So whether it comes to general business automation, digital transformation, IT service management, enterprise service management, or even something completely different like a CRM or something along those lines. So in this video, I want to show just a brief overview of what Slingshot really can be without going too deep into the nitty-gritty details. If you want to see some of those, definitely subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more information about some of that stuff in upcoming videos. And there will also be an email address at the end and also in the video description where you can get some more information. So without going into too much rambling, let's get into a demo. All right, so here, this is one thing that Slingshot can be. So here we have a service catalog, and basically this is just a presentation. One of the powerful features of Slingshot is that every little piece is a component that's available to you to build on top of. So even though we might build something as part of the UI, it's something that you can use to do whatever you need it to do. So this here in this example, it's a service catalog. You could use it to just be a general catalog or something, you know, for a different purpose than what we're showing here. So one of the cool things about this is that you can have multiple levels. So here we'll do we'll drill down, and here we can request a piece of equipment. We can also go back and we can jump up through the layers. And if you only want say 2 layers, so that one had 3 layers of drill down. If you want 2 layers, that's fine too. You can have that in the same service catalog. It's designed just based on categories and subcategories, and if there are 2 layers of parents, then it'll show 2 layers. So here we go straight to a little request form here. The next thing that I want to show is something I call boards, which is just like a Kanban board. So if you're familiar with software development, you might be using this in your day-to-day routine. But in this case, I've built it out as kind of a CRM style thing. So how do I get something on there? Well, let's go ahead and create a new opportunity. Let's say we'll say make a sale. Let's say it's for $100, and let's say it's currently in the prospecting phase. You can add a bunch of other stuff. Let's say do some stuff for the description, and there are some other details here. Let's go ahead and save that, and now we can go back to our board, and it'll show up in prospecting. Of course, we can drag that over through the various stages, and works just like Trello, if you're familiar with Trello. The next thing that I want to show is what actually went into that demo opportunities form here. So this was totally customizable, and you can go through the UI to specify what fields you want, and even some nested structure to it. So objects, lists, those sorts of things. Really powerful abstraction over the exact data that you want to build without having to think about what it's going to look like in a database table. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you can have relationships between different pieces of data, and you can also have actions that act on them. This is all in the context of something that we call collections. So all of your data gets stored in a collection. A collection is a bunch of similar data that all follows kind of the same structure. And of course, everything throughout this is customizable. So you can customize your home screen, you can customize actions that show up on that home screen. There's lots more than I could show in this quick little video here, but again, stay tuned for future videos. And of course, some of what I showed is specific to ITSM, CRM capabilities, and that's great for starting out. You can use Slingshot to start out in those areas, but ultimately Slingshot is a platform. So even if you start in one of those areas, you can evolve it as your business grows and evolves into other areas, and Slingshot can be kind of the powerhouse for your business automation throughout your organization. So with that, let's jump back, and I have some more information in some slides. So that concludes the demo. If you liked what you saw here, definitely check out our website. Go ahead and send us an email below if you want to see how Slingshot can work specifically for your business. We'd love to go through that with you, learn more about you, and find out how the pieces that go into Slingshot can help you achieve your goals. And of course, if you want to see more over the next few weeks, go ahead and click subscribe. Like this video if you thought this was as cool as we think it is, and share it with your colleagues and other people within your organization, and other people who you think might be able to help out your transition to something like Slingshot. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.